What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod back with another video, and today I'm gonna hit the Goodwill again, see what I can find to flip on eBay and on Poshmark. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so as usual, we hitting up the men's section, and I'm in the pants section first. I usually go to the jackets, but I saw these red pants from a distance, so I immediately gravitated towards them. And these are just some simple track pants. These are kind of old, so they're not like the nice slim fit that I usually prefer, but I do think these might sell, so I might go ahead and pick these up. They might sell for about 20 bucks. Next, I found this pair of Mek Denim Jeans, and these are for women. I sold Mek Denim in the past, and usually like the cigarette skinny fit sells for a decent amount of profit. The last pair I had sold for about 30, so I'm definitely going to scoop these up. These were really nice, really clean, no flaws whatsoever, and that's just a picture of the tag so you guys know what to look for, but these are definitely leaving with me. Next, I found a Diamond Supply t-shirt, and if you guys follow the channel, you know I just picked up a similar like Diamond Supply sweater. I actually picked up two Diamond Supply crew neck shirts. They haven't sold yet, but I mean, I'm pretty sure they will sell once the weather starts to change a little bit. So I'm gonna think about it, but I might pick this one up too, because like I said, Diamond Supply sells. Next, this Screen Stars polo, and the only reason why I'm even showing this because I know Screen Stars is like a vintage t-shirt brand. It usually sells for decent profit. I'm not picking this up, but be on the lookout for Screen Stars. Now, speaking of vintage, this is super dope, and this is something more my speed. This is a reversible starter jersey, and this is probably from I think this is like a college jersey, but it's reversible. It's dope. It's summertime, so I'm pretty sure this will sell pretty quick, at least for 20 bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop that up too. Next is this Burberry Polo, and the funny thing is, when I saw this, there was a reseller that was literally scanning through the aisles and passed this, and it's like they didn't realize it was Burberry. But these don't sell for much money. These sell for about 25, maybe 30 bucks, and maybe that's just not in their price range, but for me, I'll pick this up all day long. Next is this Lululemon T-shirt. Now, the thing with this, even the thrift store passed up on this. They usually priced Lululemon a little more expensive, but they didn't realize it was Lulu, so I had to go ahead and pick this one up for, not for myself, but I had to pick this one up. I'll probably get maybe 25 bucks for this one. I usually do pretty well with the Lululemon T-shirts. Now, this is something that I usually don't pick up. This is a hoodie from Hugo Boss, and I usually don't sell Hugo Boss stuff unless it's more of like their menswear, like the blazers and suits and stuff like that. But this one was pretty dope in my opinion. It was lightweight, so I know people are looking for like lightweight hoodies, and I really did like that gradient in the drawstring, as you guys can see. But this is something that I usually wouldn't pick up. But drop a comment if this is a brand or even a style you guys would want to sell in your Poshmark Closet or eBay store. Next is a brand that's no stranger to the channel. This is a pair of cool pants, and these are actually for women, and they're more like a sweatpant material, but I've usually always sell cool pants regardless, men or women, at least 25 to 30 bucks. So I'm definitely going to pick these up. These are really clean, no flaws, just some lint, and that's something I could easily get out if I just go ahead and throw it in the dryer and just let some of that lint go away. But cool is one of my favorite brands to sell. I usually sell it at least 5 to 10 times a month. So if you guys come across this brand, just know that it sells. Next is a pair of Ragan bone jeans, and I was checking the women's section. I'm trying to do more women's clothing, but not too much. That's why I stayed some time in the women's section. And Ragan bone, they sell men's clothing as well. Really good brand to sell. It doesn't sell for a ton of profit, but these jeans I should get at least 25 to 30 bucks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick these up. Next up is this pair of G-Star raw denim jeans, and I actually just picked up a G-Star jacket a few days ago, so that was a nice coincidence. This brand doesn't sell for a ton of profit, not like it used to, but I always pick it up anyway. But I should probably get maybe 25 to 30 bucks for these jeans, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, but I just made sure these were nice and clean, and as you guys can see, they were in really good condition. So I'm definitely going to scoop these up, and hopefully they sell fast, because the other pair of G-Star jeans I had took a very long time to sell. And next up is this pair of Patagonia shorts, and I usually always pick up Patagonia shorts as long as they're not trying to raise the price too much, because sometimes in my Goodwill, if it's Lululemon or Patagonia, they always charge like it's a luxury brand for some reason. But this pair was regular price, so I'm definitely going to pick this one up. Next up is this New York Yankees vest, and back in the day, if I found this, I would have definitely kept this for myself. Growing up in New York, of course, I was a Yankees fan because the Mets suck, but now I hardly ever watch baseball. I couldn't even tell you 5 people that play for the Yankees, but hopefully this one does sell soon because it is baseball season, and I'm pretty sure it will get cold in New York pretty soon, so hopefully it sells within a couple of weeks. Alright y'all, that's all I got for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed that one, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys don't enjoy thrifting or just developing a very consistent habit or a strong work ethic, reselling and entrepreneurship in general might not be for you. And that's why I like to show the consistency in these trip to the thrift videos, because I genuinely enjoy going to these different thrift stores and garage sales, and I just enjoy the thrill of the hunt. But if you source differently and you may go to outlets or other type of places to source, you still have to be consistent in whatever it is that you're doing. And I just want to make sure that point gets across, because so many people watch my sale videos, or they might watch other reseller videos and just get so confused or just get down on themselves because they're not making sales. But trust me, all the work is done during the day on a consistent basis. It might not happen right away. You might have to do the same thing for 6 months and then it finally starts to pay off. But trust me, you got to just work, you got to put in the time and just be patient. So that's all I got for you guys today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Causing thunder lately, so in the heart with no repayment. My interest rate is lower, ain't it? Decide to auction off a bid.